10th of Shaban, 626 CE, 4th year of Hijri. In Medina, Saudi Arabia. Family. Father, Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, cousin, and son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Mother, Fatima al-Zahra, daughter of Prophet Muhammad. Brothers, Hassan, Muhsin died in infancy. Sisters, Zainab, Kulthum. Upbringing. Raised in a household of knowledge, faith, and leadership. Trained in Islamic values, jurisprudence, and the Quran by his father and grandfather. Showed exceptional intelligence, courage, and compassion from an early age. Notable events. As a child, Imam Hussein accompanied his father, Imam Ali, to the Battle of Siffin 657 CE. He was present at the tragic event of the martyrdom of his father, Imam Ali, in Kufa 661 CE. Imam Hussein was known for his piety, wisdom, and generosity. He was a respected leader and a sought-after advisor in Medina. He married Sharbanu, a Persian princess, and had 4 children: Ali Zain al-Abidin, Muhammad Ali al-Akbar, and Sukaina. This early life account sets the stage for his later life, where he faced the ultimate test of faith and courage in Karbala.